So now we're on to the next phase. This is me machining the punch out now out of steel. We made it out of plastic, the prototypes. Now we need to make it out of steel. I'm going to make one of the parts out of aluminium. This is quite a complex stripper part. It holds all the springs. So I'm going to make that out of aluminium. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to put some inserts in there in steel, the parts that actually do the touching of the parts there. Here's the female part made out of steel. It's not an easy part to machine on my little machine, but we got there in the end. We put the two parts, the two punches together. This is me prototyping now the punch. I need to cut out the material thickness out of the punches just to allow for the material thickness. So this is just a small aluminium part just to check the tolerances of the punch, which seems to be okay. And now we're ready to put the tool together. So I've finished making the tool. I'll show you the parts of the tool here. This is the press tool that I made for the cover plates. This part is called the stripper plate. These are the springs. Punch is in here, you can't really see it. This stripper plate, when you use the press, goes down. These faces here are quite critical. These clamp the material as this punch comes through. The other side of the punch is this part here, and this is the female tool that you saw being cut out on my CNC machine. The reason why I made these in three parts, the centre part and the two end blocks, is that I may want to try and increase the height of the cover plates, and that's going to be a simple process of just jacking up these side blocks, which will in effect lower the middle and give me a higher position. So that's how it all works. When you put these two together, this part here is the stop block here, and really that's about it. This goes together like this. And there you have it. Let me grab the camera so you can see what it looks like. That's it all together. These tools here you can buy. I paid a couple of £100 for those. I made all the bits on the inside, so I don't know quite what the costs are. Machining costs took quite a lot of time, but that's the tool. This morning, just to run a few little trial pieces. This is some aluminium. Anyone who's tried to stamp out aluminium or make an aluminium tool will know that it's not very forgiving. It tears quite easily. So I'm just going to run some trial parts really, just to get the size and the shape of the drawer before I work out the shape of the material, and to cut myself a blank out with the holes in. I'm just seeing where it draws, how it draws. One of the things that you'll notice is that on the side they're sort of torn. Some of the material is torn. That's because the tool's not really polished yet. I only just finished it this morning, so so eager to see what a cover plate looked like when I stamped it out. So that's really where we're at the moment. I've just ordered some stainless steel. I'm going to make it out of 0.5 stainless steel. The Hona ones that are the nickel plate are 0.3, and I think the Suzuki and the Zeidel are about 0.5, so I'm going to go with a much thicker material. I want them to be a lot stronger than most of them. And once I get this tool polished, I'm going to send it away to get the tools hardened, and then hopefully I'll bring them back, get them polished up, and I can run some stainless through to see what it looks like. And then we're really on to the next stage, which is to make the blank, make the right shape of it, of the sheet metal, and really go on to show how the next stage is done. So that's it. Thanks for watching, and tune in for more of the cover plates. Thanks.